Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete Meta AI on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can just simply scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. And after this, you can now tap on settings again, and here you can just simply scroll down and down, and in the audience and visibility section you can now tap on posts, and after this you can just simply disable the allow comments summaries on your posts. After disabling this option, the Meta AI features is removed on your Facebook, and this is the way you can remove Meta AI on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.